absolutely blowing a gale here. You better hang on to that beret. So we're at RAF Mildenhall on a very windy Saturday afternoon on the 19th of March 2022, and we have a Rivet Joint, call sign Jake 11 on finals. The Rivet Joints are part of the Boeing 135 family and are reconnaissance and surveillance aircraft. This Rivet Joint has the tail code OF, Oscar Foxtrot, which indicates that the aircraft is from Offutt Air Force Base, Nebraska. They are part of the 55th Wing. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It wasn't having that. Back round you go. Right, come on, son. You got this, mate. You got this. It is certainly blowing a gale here, and you can probably hear it from the mic.